everyone, welcome to my Halloween series 2024 bonus number 4. Today I'll be making cinnamon roll brains. What all goes into the cinnamon roll brains? 2 cans of refrigerated cinnamon rolls, possibly 3 depending on how big your brain is. Strawberry jam, could use up to a full jar depending on how bloody you want it to look, and a brain. My daughter-in-law sent me the recipe and I thought that was cool, but I didn't have the brain, so Dave was sweet enough to order me a brain. So let's begin. Preheat your oven to 400. I'm going to spray my brain so the cinnamon rolls don't stick. So open up your cinnamon rolls. My favorite part of any type of these Pillsbury things. Oh, that one wasn't too bad. Set aside the icing. I'll open up the second one. The temperature of the oven and the time it cooks is according to package directions. All right, so the instructions said that you're supposed to unroll the cinnamon rolls. I guess Pillsbury doesn't unroll. I tried and tried and I couldn't. So I'm going to it's got the design in the brain. So I'm just going to smoosh the brains into the mold. It does have the indents in there. So I'm hoping this will work. We're going to give it the all-American try. It's supposed to be like squiggly lines, but I'm just going to smush and hope for the best. Has anybody else tried this and had that problem? What type of cinnamon rolls did you use? See, they kind of show that, but it doesn't unroll. All right, so I'll get this done and I'll be right back. All right, so I just tore them into chunks and put them in and kind of pressed them against the ridges of the brain and just hoping for the best. Put your cinnamon roll brain in a preheated 400-degree oven for 13 to 17 minutes. Might have to do it a little bit longer because it's pretty thick. All right, so I let it cook for 27 minutes, which is 10 minutes past the suggested package direction. These are a little bit overdone on the edges, but I needed to get this done in the middle. I'm still not sure if this is completely done, but I didn't want to totally burn this. So I'll let this cool for about 10 minutes and then I'll turn it over onto a platter. Well, brain-wise, it turned out looking like a brain. It's got the definition in it. It is overcooked, just so this center of it could get done. But it's more, I think, the cinnamon that's got brown, extra brown. I think this is just the cinnamon part. We're going to let it cool completely and then we're going to ice it. While it is cooling, I'll mix up the icing. But put your icing in a bowl. That is from 1 pack. I don't know if that's going to be enough to cover the whole brain or not, but we'll see. Supposed to add strawberry jam. So I'll just be starting a little at a time. Mix until you get the consistency that you want and the look that you want. Right now I use 2 heaping spoonfuls. And since it's jam, it's going to be a little bit more chunkier, I think. So it's going to look more like, I don't know, brain matter or something. Right now it's not very red. I am a little upset that it's overdone, but I wanted it done in the middle. You know, nothing worse than having raw brain, right? Still not red enough though. Okay, I'll finish this and then I'll show you the final results before I drizzle it over the brain. So I did mix up the strawberry jam and the icing. I had 8 heaping teaspoons of the strawberry jam and it was still pink. So I did add some red gel food coloring. It's red, it's not as red as I'd like, but at least it's red, not pink. My brain feels like it's going to be cool enough, and I'm just going to pour it over. Kind of loses the definition of the brain, but kind of bloody looking. Actually, it looks like tomato soup, in my estimation. Of course, it probably doesn't help that it's on a red platter either. All right, so what I'm going to do, since it's a dead brain, laying alongside the road or whatever, we're going to put some of our fake flies there. They're having a feast. So here's the cinnamon roll brain. I'm going to get it cut up, and then Dave can do a taste test. That's cinnamon roll brain.
Is it strawberry?
It is strawberry jam and the icing that comes with the cinnamon rolls.
Okay.
Does it taste like a brain?
I don't have anything to compare it to, so I don't know. But it's good. Very good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.